it is, our yearly flood. Today, well, this year I should say, was way worse. Last night we had a giant storm, and now look at it, in case you can't tell. Look at that. This was a creek, but now it's a river in my opinion. It was higher not that long ago, but lowered it a little bit. By the way, I'm not showing my face.
Because of quarantine.
But you see all of that. All this right here used to be land, but nope, not anymore. And over here used to be land too. But apparently Earth did not want this to be land. Now it's just a river. Still technically counted as a creek, but I'm calling it a river because it's so high. I wonder what happened if we rode a quad in that. Probably would have a malfunction. Actually, probably would survive because quads are actually strong. But
Bro pancakes.
The flood, and I'll have gaming videos coming out soon, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola.